Most of the time, we're too caught up in modern life to realize that energy makes it all possible. There are obvious things, like our cars. We know those are powered by energy, but everything else is too. The internet, all phone systems, every appliance, air conditioning and heating, everything in our offices and houses. Even while we sleep, we consume energy 24 hours a day. Every single product we buy, like a pair of blue jeans, requires energy. From the time it's made in a factory, washed and dried and worn, and eventually discarded, a pair of jeans uses the equivalent of 3 gallons of gasoline. You might have 50 gallons of gas in your closet from your blue jeans alone. And it's not just jeans. Every product is made somewhere, then moved by ship, train, truck, car, sometimes all 4, from the factory to your house. Each of those steps is powered by energy. Even things we don't think about, like our food, are only made possible today by energy. It's planted, harvested, processed, packaged, transported, retailed, and bought using energy all along the way. Huge amounts of energy. In your weekly shopping cart of groceries, there's the equivalent of 22 gallons of gasoline. And then you've got to cook it. Everything we do in our lives, from the time we're born through every day of every year, depends on energy. Every home, every business, and every government. Every major issue is underpinned by energy. Which is why energy is the most important issue of our time. And by joining the discussion, you can help us move forward toward a smarter energy future.